Well, as a business, we probably wouldn't even be here without Tŷ Pawb. Tŷ Pawb, when we heard that the place was opening, we thought that this would be a perfect place for our shop.
Right, my favourite part about being in Tŷ, it makes me laugh, it's brilliant here. I've made lots of new friends, which is really good, in the shop and outside the shop with the other traders, and it's a nice community.
This is the best place because there's lots of people, nice neighbors, and I hope I stay along this place.
Very much as a small little niche business, built it up, carried on, and so then we finally got the stall in because it's paid off for us to do it. People are always here. There is, I say people say it's quiet, it's not. It's a lot that people get here when there's an event on. It's very busy, and it's paying off, so we're quite happy.